In America, cookies and milk are a traditional snack among children. But what if you can transform these two items into a cake?
Hello, I'm Ghia Ganuelas-Roldan and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be sharing my easy no-bake Oreo chocolate cake recipe using just the simple ingredients that you might already have in your pantry.
We need Oreo cookies, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and for our coating we need 1 cup of chocolate chips and 1/4 cup of milk. We also need a wax paper and a butter. First, we're going to crush 15 pieces of Oreo cookies. Then let's add milk. We're going to put back the mixture to the grinder for at least 30 seconds. Then let's add the baking soda. We're going to put butter on a small container. Then put the wax paper. Transfer the mixture to the small container. Then we're going to use a steamer to cook our cake for 45 minutes. Let's set aside this cake to cool down for 15 minutes. For our chocolate coating, we're going to just add the milk to the chocolate chips. Then we're going to put this on a microwave for 15 seconds and then another 15 seconds.
I hope you enjoyed this easy to make recipe. In San Antonio, Texas, I am Ghia Ganuelas-Roldan. We live in interesting times.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to show us some love by liking it and subscribing or following us on all of our social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. We'd love to hear what you think. So if there's something that you liked or maybe something you'd like to see from us, let us know in the comments and we'll try our best to make that happen. See you later.